Hey guys, on Friday I dropped a video that spoke about the entire wellness and fitness or the mind body soul piece that I'm really focusing on building towards. Today it's a very interesting creator update. So I'm setting up a team. I've been thinking about this for a year or now. I've been thinking about the fact that as I've scaled what I do as a creator, I've been trying to define what bucket I fall under, what has been that vehicle that has carried me along this creator journey over the last 3 years. And I kept going back to the fact that I'm a person who likes to learn stuff and share stuff, and that loop is what's kept me going. So be it on advertising is dead, where I kind of talk to different people and learn from them, on the Varun Dugi show where I just share the learnings that I have, or even on my newsletter where I just like take that first draft thought which I have and give it out to that one close set of people who I like to call my first draft core community. So how do I scale that up? And at some point, I've had great partners I worked with, but now slowly I'm going to start hiring people and make them part of my team. And the idea is very simple. The idea is not to say this is just going to be content around me, but over time it will be content that will focus on the fact that how can we all learn stuff and yet make it entertaining and kind of create as much content around it as possible. So obviously scaling up the Varun Dugi show, advertising is dead, the newsletter and all that stuff. But it'll also involve a lot of new content pieces. I really want to get back to useless information. I want to focus on stuff around music and so much more. So this team's going to be a core team. I even set up a unit for it. It's called Plot Device Entertainment. I love the term plot device because it connotates that so basically, a plot device is a device that helps move a story along in a movie or a book. So I'm like, that my creator journey over the last 3 years has helped move my story ahead, and I want to kind of push that up a notch, but yet make sure that my commitment to the glitch and what I do there as an entrepreneur kind of stays, because that's obviously a large part of my life. And so, how do I kind of move this along and kind of take it from what is right now a tricycle, almost move that, add a little bit of nos in there, make that a big ass car and kind of move it ahead. So I'm going to be dropping in details of the profiles I'm looking to hire for and all that stuff. It's going to be on the Plot Device Instagram account. I'm going to put that in the in the notes below. So follow over there. I'll be sharing it from my end as well. So look out for that. If you're someone who wants to create entertaining content around stuff we'd all want to learn about beyond the regular educational pieces, then you might be someone who might want to work with me. So I'm going to drop those details in. So yeah, this is like a whole new like roadmap towards 40 piece which I'm doing. So spoke about my fitness and wellness journey, and now this is going to be about my creator journey, and my professional journey with the glitch of course still continues, and in the most it's been the most amazing 12 years, and it is going to be the most amazing few years, many years going ahead. So yeah, so watch out for that. Follow, DM me if you have any questions. Write into me at hellos@varundugi.com. That's hello with an S. And stay tuned for a lot more content. My friends are going to kill me. They tell me I share too much content anyway. But yeah, I guess you guys like it. Cheers.